Welcome to the instructions video for the Pile Group Efficiency Interactive Calculator. This tool helps foundation engineers determine how efficiently a group of piles transfers load to the soil. When piles are closely spaced, their stress zones overlap, reducing the overall group capacity compared to individual piles. To use this calculator, start by entering the pile diameter in meters. Next, input the center-to-center spacing between adjacent piles. Then specify the number of rows and the number of columns in your pile arrangement. The calculator uses this information to compute efficiency using three different methods: Converse-Labarre, Los Angeles, and Feld formulas. For example, enter a pile diameter of 0.5 meters, spacing of 1.5 meters, with 3 rows and 4 columns. Click the Calculate button to see the efficiency percentages for each method. Results show how much of the theoretical combined capacity your pile group can actually achieve. Lower efficiency values indicate more stress zone overlap. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.